This is a 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. Once a head turner on American roads, it's now a heartbreaking sight, abandoned and left to rot in an old barn for over 20 years. And honestly, it looked like it was destined for the scrapyard. Until Wyatt and Lance Bush made their grand arrival in this elegant pickup truck. Their appearance certainly was a coincidence. You see, those two are skilled craftsmen from Restored Hope, and they had driven all the way from Texas to assess this car. A few minutes into their inspection, both men exchanged a perfectly timed nod of approval, meaning that they had decided to take on the challenge. But do they really have what it takes to get it done? Towing an automobile that's been sitting in the same spot for nearly 3 decades is no walk in the park. And this Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 was no different. Its tires were flat, cracked, and feeble. Every inch forward was a battle, but Wyatt and Lance weren't about to give up. With some serious muscle, creative thinking, and a whole lot of patience, they managed to wrestle the car out of the barn. After several years in the shadows, this beast felt the warm kiss of sunlight again, and for a second, I imagined it roaring down the road like it once did in the good old days. While I was reminiscing about the past, this father and son duo were looking to the future. They hauled the car onto the trailer, and with a cloud of dust behind them, they began the journey back to the garage. Once they arrived, they rolled the car into the workshop for another round of inspection. And the view was just as worse as what they had seen earlier on in the barn. The interior, however, was well preserved. It had plush seats, a functional steering wheel, an old-school stereo system, some helpful manuals, and even a mid-size bucket full of spare parts. But after racking up more than 64,000 miles in its past life, this 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 will need way more than just a clean interior and spare components to roar back to life. And you know what else it needs? A complete teardown. First up, Lance tried to crack open the trunk, but without the keys it was like running into a brick wall, so instead, he did something unconventional. That definitely wasn't the prettiest method, but it was quite helpful. It saved a lot of time, and more importantly, it led the restorers to a whole new world of discoveries. From bad oil to animal nests, spare tire, fuel pump, wires, and an ancient Alfco fire extinguisher, this trunk had it all, in a bad way. Next, the restorers turned their attention to the engine bay, and it was the same story. The whole place was like a refuse dump for rodents, surrounded by rusted components and packed with dust. Without hesitation, Wyatt and Lance slipped on their gloves and got to work, putting their entire housekeeping skills to test. Then, they brought out the vacuum and sucked every last bit of debris that had escaped the first cleanup. From then on, things kicked into high gear, with parts flying off and the restoration team making further assessments. Midway through, they dropped in another battery and repaired the corroded terminals. If you're wondering why they're doing all this, it's because this Oldsmobile was about to get its first real taste of action in decades. But will it actually come alive? To be honest, I am not sure Wyatt and Lance were expecting anything different. This car is far from where it's supposed to be, and giving it the care it truly deserved would take nothing short of a full-scale makeover. The restoration team kicked things off by replacing the spark plugs. But instead of rushing to start the engine, they tested some accessories, including the horn and radio. That little glimmer of hope made Lance wonder if the engine could do the same. So he had another go at it. Unfortunately, the engine refused to budge, meaning restorative work was needed from Wyatt and Lance. They immediately swapped some damaged components with new ones, hoping that the quick-fire replacements would be enough to get the engine firing again. Despite suffering their third consecutive failed engine start, Lance and Wyatt refused to give up. Instead, they made a few adjustments and tried again. That was much more impressive, but that blaze and sudden shutout at the end left some doubts in their minds. So Lance cranked the engine again. That was more like it. The engine fired up without hesitation, and the sound was very stable compared to the previous attempts. Next up, Lance tackled the fuel system, clearing out the rock-solid mud that had built up inside before topping it off with fresh gas. While he was there, Wyatt was at the other end of the car refilling the coolant and fixing some other components. And then, it was time to visit those spare parts from earlier. Lance dug his hands into the bucket, and it wasn't long before stumbled on a key component. They followed that up with another round of modifications, repairs, and replacements. Next, they jacked the car up and plunged straight into the next task. Once fitted, Lance gave the new rubbers a quick spin before getting right back into work. Now it was time to give this beast a well-deserved bath. Although the wash was done outside their workshop, Lance and Wyatt wanted a flawless job, and that's exactly what they did. With the car now gleaming and moving under its own power, they drove it back to the workshop for a closer look at the rusted, damaged bodywork. Next, they headed to Brown's Auto Salvage to hunt for spare parts. Luckily, they found a scrapped Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 with a battered but decent body frame, exactly what they were looking for. So they grabbed their tools and pulled off as many parts as they could salvage, then hauled everything back to the workshop, ready for the next chapter of this incredible rebuild. Back at the garage, they yanked off the door and trunk. which ultimately cleared the way for some serious bodywork prep. And finally, it was time to drench this 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 in paint. But before then, let's take a moment to pay homage to its history. Equipped with a rocket V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is an iconic car from the staples of General Motors. In its heydays, it was unstoppable. Many celebrated it for its tremendously powerful engine, stylish design, and smooth ride, which ultimately made it known as everyman's luxury car. But if it really was everyman's luxury car, how then did this model end up in a barn for 20 years? Well, that's a question for the previous owner to answer. For now, all the focus is on Wyatt and Lance as we approach the business end of this restoration. They've done an unbelievable job so far, and I cannot wait to see what this car would look like when it's all done. Now that the car is fully baked, Lance and Wyatt teamed up to rid off the masking films. And then they turned their focus to the interior. First, they removed the seat and yanked the covers off. Then they took out all the dirt and tackled the carpet with the full might of the vacuum cleaner. Next, they coated the seats with dupli color vinyl and fabric paint. Finally, they reinstalled the seats and gave the interior one last shine. As his last contribution to the restoration, Lance installed the nameplate, and then it was time to get on the road. Oh, true, it has actually been on the road a few times, but this time, it's coming out as a rejuvenated four-wheel machine, polished to perfection and ready to take on another lifetime of action. What do you make of this restoration? Was the payoff worth the struggle? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and be sure to check out other exciting restoration videos on the channel.